Hi everyone, I'm Maya. I welcome you to the product demo of our customer loyalty and engagement platform, Prime Rewards. The key objective of the demo is to give business owners or decision makers an overview of Prime Rewards loyalty application and show how it can help businesses in managing loyalty. The agenda for today's demo will be to introduce Prime Rewards loyalty program. Demonstrate how Prime Rewards can help businesses in creating a digital loyalty program. How to launch your own loyalty program. Prime Rewards is a simple and easy to use digital loyalty program designed and developed for businesses operating in food and beverages industry, including fine dine restaurants, casual dining, quick service restaurants, cake shops, coffee shops, etc. Retail industry, including apparel, electronics, supermarkets, convenience stores, pharmacies and all other type of retail stores. Services industry, including salon, spa, beauty clinics, fitness, travel. A loyalty reward program allows you to reward your customers for their repeat business and encourage them to continue buying from you. Customer loyalty programs are proven methods for growing and sustaining market share. Currently, majority of the businesses in SME sector don't have a loyalty program. Existing option for a business owner includes giving customers a physical loyalty card, which is outdated. Manage loyalty within existing POS system. In this case, customer don't have any updated information on loyalty. Or build an app for the business, which requires significant time, effort and budget. Existing options are not effective for the business owner and it is less engaging for their customer. Prime Rewards application is the perfect solution for digital loyalty. For a business owner, they can easily launch a customer loyalty program without worrying about technology. For mobile app users, we offer one application for managing loyalty from multiple retail stores. Let us have a look at how to get started. During the setup process, business owner can decide the type of loyalty program they want to implement, a points-based program or stamp-based loyalty program. Points-based program example, reward your customers with a points each time they shop or use your service. Points-based program are most commonly used in food and beverages sector and retail business. Stamp-based loyalty program, customer gets a stamp each time they use the service and get a reward when they reach a specified number of stamps or visit. These are commonly used by cafes, spa and salon, car wash centers, etc. The rule of loyalty program is set by the owner, such as points expiry duration, points per transaction rule plus many other customizations. Our support team can help you to complete the setup and launch the program within 30 minutes. Our customer onboarding process is simple. We have designed a hassle-free user sign-up process. Your customers can join your program either by the use of their email ID or by using the app. Customer self-registration. Once you launch your digital loyalty program for your business, your customers can easily download the app from Google Play Store or App Store. Customer can enter some basic details and complete the sign-up process. Adding customer from admin panel. There is also an option to add customer from your admin panel or by using the Prime Rewards business mobile application provided to each business. Our loyalty program is simple and easy to use for both customers and business owners. Once the customer log into the application, they can see the points summary, exclusive offers, special promotions, etc. In the wallet section, customer can see the details of rewards earned along with the transaction history. Primary objective of developing the application is to bring in repeat customer to your business, hence the points earned from a brand or store can be redeemed at the same brand or store. Example, John is a customer of a restaurant and a retail store. The points earned at the retail store can be redeemed at the same brand. This is to ensure that the customer comes back to the store for repeat purchase or use of services. Adding points. Points can be easily added via admin panel or by using a Prime Rewards mobile app for business users. With few clicks of a button, points can be added to customers' wallet. Redemption process. To redeem points, customer needs to select the brand from which they want to redeem the points. A 6-digit code appears in customer's mobile. Customer needs to share the 6-digit code with the cashier to complete the redemption process. Alternatively, if the customer doesn't want to use mobile app for redemption, the cashier can generate a unique code to customer's registered email. Customer can share the unique code and cashier can complete the redemption process. Communicating the in-store offers, promotions, or new services can be easily done through offers sections within the Prime Rewards mobile app. Prime Rewards is an effective marketing platform to communicate in-store offers, new product or service introduction, special or limited time promotions, discount coupon setup. The offer creation and activation is done from the admin panel and is fully within the control of the business owner. Customers can navigate to Offers section and see the exclusive offers or special offers from their favorite brands. Customers are notified instantly on any new offers or promotion from their preferred brands. Prime Rewards application helps to improve visibility of the brands and it helps in acquiring new customers. Effective messaging to fuel retention and revenue. Create powerful marketing campaigns through Prime Rewards app. Increase sales by sending your in-app messages and push notifications straight to your customers' mobiles. In-app messages aren't just about user engagement, they're about creating a stronger, richer customer experience. By tailoring messages to specific user segments, in-app notifications add value by informing users of important updates, offering personalized rewards, and much more. Push notifications and in-app messages are the most effective way to engage with your customers compared to SMS, emails, or your Facebook and Instagram posts, for example. They have a delivery rate of 100%, they don't end up in spam, they offer advanced analytical tools, and they have low to zero cost. Instead of blasting generic messages to your entire user base, create campaigns for specific types of users. Select your audience. Create your message and customize it, add a link and or a promo code. Send and track the performance of your message. Loyalty program management can be easily done from the admin panel. Get all your customer details from the customer section. Identify the top spending customers, get more insights on their buying behavior. From the Transactions tab, get loyalty program insights such as total points given, total points redeemed, top spending customers, location-wise loyalty data, etc., and much more. Offers section helps business owners to manage the promotions. Easily create promotions and instantly notify your customers. Make smart decisions. Access dashboards. Analyze your program's performance and back your decisions with clear customer insights. To manage the day-to-day operations of loyalty program, cashier can download the Prime Rewards business mobile app. Using the mobile app, cashier can add users to the program, view self-registered users, add points to users, redeem points. Our platform, both admin panel and mobile app, is easy to understand and simple to use. Operating the loyalty program requires bare minimum training for your staff members. Let us have a look at the benefits summary for both businesses and their customers. For businesses, launch a digital loyalty program. Start building a strong loyal customer base and improve customer engagement. Effectively communicate all in-store promotions and offers with your target audience. Be ahead of your competition, retain more customers and increase sales. For customers, a easy-to-use mobile app for loyalty, get rewards from your favorite stores and stay connected. Loyalty programs play a pivotal role in determining the long-term success and sustainability of your business. These programs are designed to reward your customers and encourage repeat visits and more spending. Customers are more likely to choose a brand that rewards them and makes them feel valued every time. Loyalty program is common even among the world-leading brands. It is obvious that even big brands need a digital loyalty program to engage and retain their customers. Immaterial of the size of your business, whether you own a restaurant, services, or a retail business, your business too can delight your customers by launching a loyalty program with minimum budget. Our team will work with you to design, implement, operate, and support the loyalty program. Design phase. Our team can design an exceptional loyalty program that addresses your brand's challenges. We can design the program type points based or stamp based or both. Implement the loyalty program for your business. Business owner can choose to launch a loyalty program either through Prime Rewards application or through a white label app. The white label platform can be customized with your brand guidelines. Operate and support. Our team will take the ownership of operating the program and support your team throughout the journey. In both the cases, Prime Rewards application or white label application, our team is available to support you with your loyalty program implementation and support. Our solution is nominally priced. We are fully backed by our global support team and cloud network to support our customers. Launching your own customer loyalty program with Prime Rewards is extremely easy. Our team will help you every step of the way. Your customers are going to love the Prime Rewards application. We will be happy to understand your loyalty requirements and schedule a detailed demo. If you have any queries, you can write to us at sales@primerewards.app. Thank you.